Walang pila sa border. I have something here to show to Lance and Lincoln. Tapang ni Cookie, oh. Andito kami ngayon sa Holly Recreation Area.
Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat at eto nga po ang vlog for today ay pupunta kami ng Amerika para mag-celebrate ng Thanksgiving. At nung umalis kami dito sa Canada, dito sa lugar namin, nag-uumpisa pa lang talaga yung snow. May accumulation na ng snow sa ground pero hindi pa siya ganong katindi. At habang nagda-drive kami, may mga area na walang snow. Yung snow shower, wala nun. Tapos, may mga area na meron. At dumating kami sa point na, eto nga, nasasaksihan nyo, talagang tumitindi na yung snowstorm. Yung 4 na lane ay naging 3 lane. At later on, yung 3 lane ay naging 2 lane. Kasi hindi ko na lang na-vlog, pero natatakot talaga ako nung mga oras na yon. Kasi ang makikita mo lang yung pinakaunahan ng kotse mo. Hindi mo na halos talaga makita yung susunod na sasakyan. Kaya nagdasal talaga kami sa mga oras na yon. At parang may mata talaga ng, kumbaga parang mata ng bagyo. Kasi makikita nyo naman dito sa susunod, na kami dito yung way to sa patungo sa palabas ng border ng Canada. Walang kabakas-bakas ng snow. Malinis na malinis. Kaya parang nag-snow na talaga dito. Tapos parang dumaan kami sa kumbaga pinakamata ng bagyo. Ganon. At walang kapila-pila. Makikita niyo naman. Walang gustong lumabas ng Canada. Pero kami ay susuungin lahat. Pakalabas lang ng Canada. At eto na yung pinaka-border. Lalabas kami ng Canada. At makikita nyo pa rin, walang kapila-pila. Pagkatapos magbabayad ka rito ng fee, walang magi-interview sa'yo. Fee lang ang babayaran mo. Ewan ko, parang maintenance yata yun ng tulay. At eto na, makakalabas na nga kami. At syempre salamat sa Diyos kasi sa buong biyahe namin, hindi talaga nag-snow. Yung dito lang sa Canada, tapos yung pinakadinaanan namin. At salamat sa Diyos. At eto, nagulat ako, first time in the history, sa tulay, walang tao kahit sa tulay. Kami lang din talaga. Yung new, at saka eto.
Wow, we're the only ones here. You guys need to make a wish. If something is happening that is so good, that never happens, we're the only one in the bridge. Make a wish.
I wish that.
Keep it to yourself.
It's for the whole family.
Yeah, keep it to yourself.
We're officially in the U.S. Yay! Cell phone use.
Hey, look at that blue over there.
Yeah,
blue?
the house is all.
Cell phone use
Yeah.
is not permitted.
Oh, yeah, it says.
Yeah.
You gotta get out by our passports anyways.
Turn off the pushing.
Oh, there's still a little bit of people.
There might be security.
In 500 meters, stay to the right.
Sure you want McDonald's?
Hi everyone, USA! USA. Lincoln, show your breakfast, Lincoln. I'll take a picture, honey.
I have to add.
Okay, show it to me, honey, so I can show it to Grandma, Grandpa.
Hold on.
There. There, Grandma, Grandpa, Lincoln's breakfast.
Where's my utensils?
Lance, what's your breakfast, honey?
My hands are full. I can't go into the bag anymore.
Also, your mommy. McDonald's is losing money.
Using what?
It's losing a little bit of money.
Why?
Huh?
Because, mommy,
Mm-hmm.
the
That's
meal
all
you
yours.
got, the meal you got, if you ordered it as a meal, you don't pay. You don't have to pay more money. You have to pay less money.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, yours was like, it's like your sandwich was $5.40 or something like this. Make it a combo minus 39 cents.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and it's actually cheaper to get it as a combo.
Oh, what's this?
Syrup and butter.
Butter.
I have something here to show to Lance and Lincoln. This. And I'm gonna see the reaction. 1, 2, 3, open. We're gonna get this. You were at the school, Lance? Yeah. It's nice. You are my peeps. $5.99. You are my... Oh, I did not ask Lincoln. I'm sorry, Lincoln. Do you want it?
No.
So, kagabi pala, nung umalis kami, tawag dito, may ano yung itim na ibon, nabibisi si Cookie panoorin. Kagabi pala nung umalis kami sa amin, meron talagang winter storm. Tapos, salamat talaga sa Diyos, nagdasal kami habang nasa biyahe, dasal. Kasi nung nasa highway na kami, yung 4 na lane, naging 2 lane siya. Tapos, eventually, talagang snowstorm, tapos, hihinto siya, may madadaanan ka na, medyo lang, tapos may madadaanan ka uli na snowstorm talaga. So, ganun yung buong biyahe namin. Tapos, nung malapit na kami sa border ng states, walang bakas ng snow. Walang kabakas-bakas ng snow. Tapos, nung dumating kami dito, nagulat kami. Kapag Thanksgiving pala, nasa Michigan kami ngayon. Kapag Thanksgiving pala dito, lahat sarado. Alam ko sarado yung mga stores. Ganun din naman sa Canada, sarado yung mga stores tulad halimbawa ng yung mga box malls. Nasarado sila. Pero yung mga halimbawa McDonald's, A&W o restaurant, kahit anong restaurant, sarado sila. Nakadating kami, anong oras ba kami? Alas 10 yata. O 10:30, parang gano'n na nakaano kami sa border. Walang pila sa border. At isa ko pang kwento, pagdating namin sa bridge, so Canada, no? Aalis ka na ng Canada at dadaan ka na ng bridge, yung malawak na bridge. Yung lumang bridge, kanan kaliwa, tapos yung bagong bridge, talagang walang sasakyan. First time. Napakadaming beses na naming nakikinig siya. Napakadaming beses na naming tumawid ng border. First time lang talaga. Sabi ko nga sa mga anak ko mag-wish. Kasi first time lang talaga na tumawid kami ng bridge na wala talagang tao sa bridge. So, yun. Sa awa naman ng Diyos, naging maayos yung biyahe namin. Pagdating sa border, malapit sa border, wala na talagang snow. Tapos, pagdating namin dito, kaya nga yung pick-up tsaka yung RV, punong-puno talaga siya ng snow nung dumating kami ng US. Tapos dito walang kabakas-bakas. Pero, nung habang lumalapit na kami sa campground namin, may mga nakikita na kaming bakas ng snow. Hanggang sa finally, nakarating na kami sa campground namin. Nag-snow din doon. Actually, kagabi, nahirapan talaga kami. Sobrang ang tagal naming ginawa kasi i-level yung RV. Kasi yung ground, madulas yung ground. Kasi ang campground, mas siguro pagbalik namin, kasi nasa labas kami. Pagbalik namin, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung anong itsura nung campground, kung saan kami nakapark, kasi mas mabilis maintindihan. Pakita ko sa inyo yung box mall kung nasaan kami. So yan, naglakad na kami ng naglakad ni Cookie. Ang lawak dun, dyan, ang lawak. Nilakad si Cookie. Tapos sila Moshi tsaka yung mga bata nasa Michael's, hindi allowed si Moshi doon. Nagpagising namin, nag-breakfast kami sa McDonald's. Pagkatapos, napansin ko yung mga plaza, pakita ko sa inyo. Yung mga plaza, laging may watawat ng Amerika. Yung mga bahay dito, naglalagay rin ng watawat. Sa amin, hindi naman.
Ang usually may watawat lang yung superstore. Napakalakas ng hangin. Hindi magandang nagmi-mix ang winter at ang hangin. Sobrang sakit sa balat. Napakalakas makapagpa-dry ng balat. Tsaka yung magtutuyo yung labi mo. Ay, ma-share ko nga pala, walang 5 below sa amin. Ewan ko lang sa ibang part ng Canada. So, pag sinabi kong sa amin, kung nasaan kami sa Ontario. So, sa amin, walang parts, ay, walang 5 and below. So, mamaya, pagtapos nila Mushi, hindi naman interesado dyan yung mga bata. So, samahan ng mga bata si Cookie. So, sila dito, tapos punta kami ng 5 and below. So, nakapunta na ako ng 5 below. Para pala siyang miniso, pero napakadami mong mapagpipilian. Tapos, mababa na yung pressure ng tires. Pupunta kami dito, tapos ika-car wash na rin namin. Kasi tignan nyo yung kotse. Ayan na yung itsura ng kotse ngayon. Tignan nyo. Ayan. Kaya, kailangan ng i-car wash. Ito yung inabot niya kahapon. Oh. Andito kami ngayon at ang first car wash mo, i-scan mo yung code ay magiging for free. So yung very first car wash namin dito ay for free. Andito kami ngayon sa Checker Rallies. First time namin dito sa Rallies. Sa amin, walang Rallies. So pumunta lang ako dito para ibigay yung order ko at lalabas na ako. So lalabas na kami ng mga bata. Hintayin na lang namin si Moshi. Ayan si Moshi. Guys, look, so we have picture at Rallies. Moshi, look. Lincoln, you should go back to where you were before, Lincoln.
It's okay.
Lincoln, look. There, we got picture. Let's go, let's go. We're just gonna wait for... Moshi, can you help him take out... Lincoln, that's dangerous.
You know what you do?
Okay. Yan, nandiyan kami kanina. Umorder. Tapos, ito yung order namin. Inaamoy-amoy na siya ni Cookie. At pinag-uusapan pa namin kung kakain ba kami sa RV o dito. Gaano kami kalayo sa RV ngayon. Parang 15 minutes lang ang layo namin sa RV. Ang gaganda ng mga design ng mga bahay na dinaanan namin. Sabi ko, kapag tamang ilabas ko na yung camera ko, mawawala na yung magagandang bahay. Tama nga. Kasi eto na, wala nang mga bahayan. Ayun na, meron sa gilid.
This is super sweet, but I still sip it. Strawberry milkshake.
Yeah, let's see what's in here first. Okay, obviously there's 2 hamburgers. I think that one's yours.
Checker.
This one's yours, I believe.
We'll see if it's still warm.
Checker.
We can microwave it.
This is the extra one. And that's the hot dog. Okay, bag 1 done.
Okay, next.
Next, French. Oh, here's the cheesecake.
Ooh.
And the 2 apple pies.
This smells like a
Yeah.
strawberry.
So that's a dessert, so I'll just
Yeah.
leave it here.
This is also a dessert.
No, put it beside the Crayola, please. Here. And the boys have strawberry milkshake.
Okay. This is the fries. What is this?
Oh, the wings.
That's the wings.
Okay.
And this is...
The loaded fries.
It's not loaded. Actually, I switched it to cheese and chili.
Oh, cheese and chili. Honey, it's a fork type of thing. It's not a hand.
Okay. And what's in this last bag?
Here's everything we have. chili dog. So everything we have, chili dog, french fry, hamburger, pretzel hamburger. Say, kain tayo!
Tayo.
Kain tayo!
Tayo.
Is this the way going to the beach?
Yeah. I think so.
Oh, here in Lake Beach. There you go.
Let's go swimming. Nah, you got minutes. Just gonna go over here. Like, just look how much parking this place has got.
So, andito na tayo sa pinaka-beach. Actually, lake siya. At si Cookie natataranta kasi nakakita siya ng swan tsaka geese. Oh, there's also ducks. There's no geese, it's ducks.
Those are geese.
Aren't they ducks?
No, they look like geese to me.
No, they're ducks.
No, those are geese.
Why Canadian geese are here?
Canadian geese should have been called North American geese because they're all over the place.
What, Mark?
I say Canadian geese should have been called North American geese because they're
All over the
they're all
place.
over the place.
Ito palang frozen na yung ground. Matigas na siya. Oh, tae! Si Cookie natataranta, ang nasa isip niya ay mahuhuli niya mahuhuli niya yung mga to. So napakatahimik dito ngayon dahil kami lang ang tao at malamig rin. Ganda ng lugar. For sure, sa summer, napakaganda nito. Makulimlim. Bukas, uuwi na kami. Tapos naglagay sila ng sand. Ayan, may sand dyan. Hindi kami nakakakita ng swan. Madalas puro geese lang. So, nakakatuwa siyang makita. Yes.
Look what I found.
What you found? Oh, wow, you found the fossil.
Could you please put this in your pocket? I'm trying to put my glove on.
Here. That is so cool. Nag-usap-usap na sila. May aso, may aso. The what do you call that? The swans are talking. There's a dog. What should we do? Should we attack it? Let it be? What will Cookie do? They're in water. Well, you're barking and you're running away. What the heeky?
Don't worry, go any closer. I think she wants to swim if she has.
No, she won't. Mas malaki pa yung geese kaysa kay Cookie. Tapang ni Cookie ah. Cookie's very brave because the geese are actually bigger than her. I mean the swan. But look at her. She's like she's gonna attack.
Actually, I heard from a video that geese are pretty useless if the opponent isn't scared off.
Oh yeah.
So for example, if a Canadian geese tries to scare you, you can just grab its neck and slam on the ground and it'll die.
Go let Cookie get closer, Mushi. Let's see what she's gonna do.
No, she's gonna swim in the water.
No, she won't. Get close, Mushi. She won't get in the water. Lincoln! Lincoln!
She's gonna go in the water.
Tapang ni Cookie, oh. Tapang ah. Actually, the water is very clean.
I think they're used to seeing humans.
Yeah.
Also, there's lots of snails.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of snails.
That's what they're here eating.
Wow. Oh yeah. Look, ang daming snails.
No, Mommy, look what I found. Oh, shoot. We already know that there's snails here.
What are you gonna do to them, Cookie? Oh yeah. Ang linis ng tubig.
I'm not gonna go to the
The water is actually very clean.
I'm thinking that don't touch the water lines. Geese are nearby. Collecting shells. For what?
We're gonna cross the border. You can't collect that shell.
I wanna go.
Okay.
Sea snails. Not exactly. They're not sea snails. They're river snails.
Dito pwede kang mag-barbecue. Ang daming barbecue. This one is man-made, right? The sand?
Sand? Yeah, the sand is not here.
Guys,
Yeah.
stop there.
That one died.
Stop there and say thank you to Mushi. Mushi rented the whole place for us. Andito kami ngayon sa Holly Recreation Area. Andito kami sa pinaka beach. At guess what? Kami lang ang nandito. Kami lang talaga. Wala nang iba. Kami lang nandito because Mushi rented the whole place.
Because nobody cares about this in the winter.
Here.
The only reason why we care is because it's U.S.
Mushi rented the whole place.
Right, I'm not rich anymore. It's all gone.
Because he rented the whole place for us. So we can have the beach just for ourselves. Thank you, Mushi.
It's not renting.
What?
Still Holly Recreations areas. It's just that they don't bother looking after it, I guess.
So bukas, November 29.
Today is the 29th, yes.
Bukas, November 30, ang huling araw na magbubukas ang Holly Recreation Area. Sunday bukas. Alauna, isasarado na tong buong recreation area. Ang mga nag-camping dito parang nasa 10 lang kami. Marami ng part ang Holly ang sinarado nila. Ganun talaga yung mga campground, may mga area silang sinasarado para maliit lang yung space na i-maintain. Magpapaalam na kami bukas. Thank you, Mushi, for bringing us here. Really nice. Yeah. Where's your jug?
Right here.
Okay, get your baby. There's the baby. Dito pala, meron ding ski hill. Andun, yan, makikita nyo. Pero hindi pa siya operational sa moment na to. Tapos, meron din kaming katabing campground, pero private naman siya. Yung pinuntahan namin, state park, meron kaming sticker. Ayan yung sa last year, ito yung this year. Moshi, what's the purpose of the sticker again?
It allows you to go into any Michigan state parks without paying. It's a season pass.
What sticker?
Sticker in the window. The yellow sticker.
Ayan. Boys, look at the ski hill. Boys, look at the ski hill.
Is it without being extra?
I paid for it.
So that we can camp.
Yeah.
So every time we go camping here in Michigan, it's for free?
You still have to pay the overnight fee, but there's two separate fees. There's the overnight camping fee and then the park entry fee.
Oh, okay. It's different story in Canada, right?
Yeah. It's because everyone in Michigan actually pays for it.
Your own sticker.
They don't get a sticker, but as soon as you have a license plate, you're paying for it.
Restaurants make the most money.
Fridays, Saturdays.
And Sundays?
No, like, example, it could be anything. Example, a specific Black Friday.
I don't think there's any particular day out of the year that they make more money than others. Like fancy restaurants, February 14th for sure.
Why?
Because they can charge a little bit more that day.
Valentine's.
What's on the whole?
No, Mushi said there might have rules about the toll signs because everything is on the ground. Andi dito kami ngayon sa paborito ng mga bata, White Castle. Kaso sira yung aircon nila. Mas malamig pa sa loob kaysa sa labas. Pakita ko sa inyo ang aming na-order. Tada! Oh, Cookie, what you doing? Gutom na gutom. She's really hungry. She's licking the steering wheel. Ganda naman ang damit niyan. Bili ni Daddy. Show it my sheep, please.
Clutch crate. Okay, clutch.
The box. Show the box first.
Contains 20 sliders inside.
Oh, 20 sliders. Wow.
Because it's on sale.
Oh, wow.
Can I see?
Aray. I'm gonna take a picture. There you go.
Can I see inside?
Here, honey, I'll show it to
I
you.
don't see any inside. Oh. I'll take one.
Did you sanitize, Lincoln?
Yes, I did sanitize.
Wala nang white,
Derby will
walang
have
White
the
Castle
horses.
sa amin. Paborito to ng mga bata. Here, Mashi. Naku, yung baby, oh. Tingnan niyo yung baby. how many burgers when you do it like that? 2?
20.
No. Oh, let's show it.
So you,
Oh, there. It's like that. Okay.
Yeah.
Kapag yung daddy niya naupo na dito, yan ang paborito niyang pwesto. Gusto niya lagi nakasuksok sa daddy.
Guys, let's see if there's the taste any change. Great. Joke. Look,
Oh, okay.
let's see if the taste has changed.
Okay.
3, 2.
How about you, honey? When? Machine? Saturday, 3:11 na ng tanghali o hapon. At mukhang magkakaroon ng whiteout. Ang sabi nga sa weather report ay may weather advisory.
In half a
app.
mile, use the left 2 lanes to turn slightly left onto I-75 South.
So, pauwi na kami. Ang una naming pinuntahan, Mayor. Pagkatapos, nagpunta kami sa... After Mayor, where did we go to?
straight to White Castle.
Oh, nagpunta kami ng White Castle. Bumili ng...
Use the left 2 lanes to turn slightly left onto I-75 South.
Pagkatapos, nagpunta kami ng... may malapit na thrift store. Wala naman kaming nabili doon. Nagpunta lang kami. Tingin-tingin. Pagkatapos, si Mushi lang. Nung nagpunta kasi kami ng Mayor, walang Yakult. Kaya po, bumili siya ng Yakult sa Walmart. Siya lang yung bumaba. Napakamahangin talaga. Ayan, at makikita nyo naman, eto na yung weather. Talagang pa-white out na talaga siya. Anyways, mas malala nung nag-drive kami papunta dito sa US. Yung snowstorm na sinuong namin. Kasi ang nakikita mo lang talaga, itong lang nasa unahan mo, pag mga dalawang kotse lang, ganun lang ang makikita mo. Pag lumayo ka pa, wala ka nang makikita. Pero pag ganito ang panahon, yung talagang whiteout na talaga na mapapansin mo, mabuti na nasa bahay ka na lang. So, after this, sa RV kami mag-spend ng buong maghapon. It's locked.
Yeah, exactly. We can't go in. So we're saying
Let's take a look at the cabin. There's chairs. How does it look like? Can you see inside?
I don't know what's like.
Oh, so ito yung cabin. Sa likod niya, may fireplace. May picnic. Meron ito barbecue. Tapos may shed doon. Come on, Jackie.